Yep, Nitro here, RC here. A new unboxing video brought to you by Heineken Beer. I'll show you around 11 minute. Yeah, kind of junky, you know. Yep. Okay, what's all that business on? Let's get to opening this damn box. He really put some tape on this freaking box. Yeah, boy. Let's see what we getting here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Take a good look at that. Okay, let's take this bitch out of the box now. Yeah, boy. Notice what I say? No more off now. Hyper GT 18 Pro touring kit. Let's see some of the features. Yeah, boy. Here, let me open up this damn box here. See what I am. Kind of hard doing this with the phone in my hand. So you gotta walk with me for a second. Yeah, boy. Instruction manual. What the hell is this? GTB. Instruction manual. Yes, sir. It's the body. Get the body off. Now this is a thing of beauty. Nice hard plastic. It's really good. Sit there for a little while. Huh? They even sent me an extra glow plug. Is that a turbo plug? Wait a minute. This is a turbo engine. Have the wing, mirrors. And what's that? Air filter. And here she is. Beautiful. I don't even want to take it out of the box. Okay. I'll be right back as I take it out of the box. I guess and this is a controller. Come with. How the hell you open this box? Oh man, this is nice. Hobao. Yeah, this is nice. No crystal, digital. I really need to know how to use this, so I'll be back again. Here we have it. Out the box. 2-speed steel transmission gears. No replacing them cheap ass plastic. This are Mark 28 turbo engine. It's a sweet ass car, boy. Let's see how we look with the body on. Oh man, snug. Problem for them, boy, you know. Problem for them, boy, you know. I think I got cut a hole for the exhaust. Yep. Everything. Chris. Yep. next video, we're gonna go running video. Yep, there's the DM1 up there. Peace. Peace. Anyway, I'm gonna get back at you. For all the fans. Pretty sweet caribou. Alright, I'll holla at y'all. Peace.